Okay, we have done a lot of the list stuff in chapter 6 list activities, but one of the things we haven't done much with is this, slicing a list, meaning we're taking part of the list and doing something with it. So we are saying that from 1 to 4, we're going to slice this out of the list. Well, it says 1 to 4. What does that mean? Where does it start? Where does it end? So we know start is 1. Well, where does the numbering of a list start? It does it by index. So 1 is going to be the second position because lists start numbering from 0. So you do 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's going to pull this part of the list out. Oh, actually, it just does these 3. It doesn't take the last one. So 1 through 4 does 2 through these. 1, 2, 3. Let's see if that's actually the case. And I'm not giving you, yep. See there, it slices out 2, 3, 4. The first one is inclusive. This one is what's called exclusive. You can also start at 0 and just slice out a word. Strings and lists have a lot in common. Because you can slice strings, you can slice lists. So we have slicing with a step. It says even numbers. Where did the even numbers go? Oh, numbers. There's our numbers. How are we going to pull the even ones out of there? We have a step. This is where we start. This is where we end. If you don't put anything in there, it automatically goes from the beginning to the end, and we're doing it a step 2 at a time, which means we're only going to get the even numbers. Because 2, 4, it just happens these are lined up in the right order. If they weren't in the right order, we'd still get every other one, but they wouldn't be even. So far, so good?
So far.
Okay. So we can also do every second character. Right? Same thing. We can step through anything 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 steps at a time, whatever we pick. Whenever you see this, it's slicing everything out of the list. And then it's doing it by that step. Now, what is this -3 business? If positive goes this way, what does negative, do you suppose, go?
Move backwards.
Yep, it moves from the end and goes this way. So in this case, this is going to go from -3, and if you leave it out, it's automatically 0. So it's going to start from the right-hand side and slice to 0. Well, let's see what numbers we actually pick up. Right? 5, 4, 3, 4, 5. Is that right? Yeah, that's right. So it actually should do 5, 4, 3, shouldn't it? Why isn't it not doing 5, 4, 3? Let's take a look at why it's not doing that, because I thought that's what it's supposed to do. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, 3, 4, 5. Oh, it starts from -3. It's not going backwards. You're counting backwards. You're counting to 3 and then going forward. How could we step backwards? I think that should work.
Oh, yeah, you'll have to make sense with the -1.
Maybe.
Wait, do we start from a negative number?
I don't know. There's a way to do it. There's a way to, I just can't remember what it is. You can start and then go this way. I'd have to look that up. But you may want to look that up too. I mean, there's something for everything in there. You can sort lists, you can do all sorts of stuff with lists. So our assignment, after you've been through all these different ways of doing things with lists, the assignment is to, and we have exception handling again. You're going to create a list of numbers create a list of numbers from 1 to 10. I don't say why I have a list named, a list called numbers. Well, that's confusing. A list name numbers with the numbers from 1 to 10. Print the first 5, print the last 3, use a loop to print each number in the list, use a loop to print each number in the list that's greater than 5. So there's a little challenge with lists. We will be using lists quite a bit.